Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Holy shit. I almost missed CS. Sneezing is dangerous, dude. Because you actually can't stop yourself from closing your eyes. You're impaired.
Okay.
What? I'm just saying.
But it's like a form of protection so your eyes don't pop out.
I know, but like... Does it protect me from missing CS? No.
It's more important.
Yeah, this is eyes.
Do you see my CS right now? If I don't keep this up,
Do you see?
I'm gonna get really
That's
tilted.
horrible.
You know how tilted I'm gonna get?
I got no clue.
How tilted would you get if like you were like almost perfect CS and all of a sudden you just need to
Oh,
fucking
fuck, I can't stop
Oh
this.
shit!
They're already level 6.
Yeah. Ooh!